Hey guys, Patrick Shevlin. Thought I'd shoot a quick video. The question has been coming to me a lot lately, asking exactly what is drop shipping on eBay. So I'll go over the basics of it very briefly. What we do with drop shipping on eBay is we use eBay to sell our items to generate a profit. However, those items we do not store in a warehouse. We do not possess those items. There's zero overhead. We get our items from places like Amazon and Walmart. So how that works is we go over to Amazon or Walmart and we find an item that might be selling very well, and then we can cross-reference that item to eBay. That same item might be selling on eBay for a profit of maybe 5 to 20% from what the original retail price is at your supplier, Amazon or Walmart. So we teach people how to do this. It's completely legal. It's actually a lot of fun, and it's really easy. So I'll show you a quick example of how this works. So we'll go over to Amazon from eBay, and we'll just type something in here, and we'll see if we can't find it for sale on eBay at a higher price. So first thing I'm going to check is, let's do a coffee maker. So coffee maker. Now, we have this one right here. It's a bestseller. So we can open this picture up and take a look at this bestseller coffee maker on Amazon that's for sale for $39.99. Now, what I can do is I can right-click on this picture, and it's not going to let me search Google for the image. Let me try if I open it. And I can search Google for this image. And let's see what it brings us. It's at Walmart for sale. Pinterest. I'm not seeing it on eBay, but I'm sure it's there. So to save time, we'll go back. But we have this little tool that we use, and it'll take me to eBay. Sometimes it brings me to the exact product. So it's $49 there, $39.99 here. So now we see it's on eBay, the same exact item, and it costs more money. So we want to see if this thing has sold before. So we'll click right here. Doesn't look the same. There it is. It sold for $44.99. So that's not very much profit. But as you can see, you could do this back and forth. You can look for certain products, and before you know it, you can get a bunch of items for sale up on eBay that you're sourcing from other places and mark the items up, keep the profit. This is basically what drop shipping is. It's very easy. You just search on the internet, find some items, and see if you can't find them at a better price somewhere else. So let's check out this thermometer. $10.99 on Amazon. And our tool is working. We'll check eBay. $14.85. So this guy sold $748 at the same price. So again, we'll click on sold listings. $9, $9, $14.86. So it's for sale $10.99 on Amazon. We can go to salescalc.com and we can figure out if there's a profit on this item. This web page will do a profit check on you for any item that you may search on the internet. So $14.99 and $10.99. If you were to sell this item, well, $14.86, close enough. If you were to sell this item on eBay and source it from Amazon, you would make $1.77 every time you sold this item, and if you sold it at that same price. So you might say, well, it's only $1.77. That's not very lucrative. Well, you have to think about it this way. You list this item one time, and it stays on eBay for as long as you keep it there. You never have to take it down. So this one item might sell 100 times, 1,000 times, 2,000 times over a year, and every time it sells you make $1.77, and you just saw in 2 minutes I found it. And we can list this, simply by clicking on here. Guy's got a nice title and everything, and we can click sell now. And eBay will allow us to build a listing. We can sell that item, and we can get it from Amazon for $10.99, and we can turn a $1.77 profit. So that's basically drop shipping and how it works. And you could put a whole bunch of listings on eBay. It doesn't matter. And the more you put up, the more you're going to sell, obviously. So it's a quick little way to make some cash, and you can turn it into a very lucrative business. I mean, if you can imagine if you had 10,000 listings that were selling every month, and you were making $1.77, and it just took you a few months' time to get those 10,000 listings up. So once you have them up, they're there forever. So you stop doing all the hard work of putting up all your listings because now you have all these things working for you. So that's pretty much it on what's drop shipping, and I'll leave you guys with that.